This is Ben the Automator, and I'm going to teach you how to use Chat GPT and make nerd art Hulk style. I said it would be really cool if I could recreate this image with my logo. Since I teach AI and automation, I wanted to show you a practical use of how to do this. To get started, you need the GPT account, free or paid. You need an image to replicate and reference images. You also need a prompt, which I'll give you in a second. First, let's find an image. This specific image is a Hulk transformation from DeviantArt. The author is called the Creator HD. It's one of those weird images of Bruce Banner turning into the Hulk. I love that because I am a mad scientist. I took my first version and said, great, I'm going to supply the image I want to replicate plus 2 additional reference images. Then I said, create a picture overlay of me like this in the first image. My image is the second one. Instead of Hulk, change me from a casual clothes with Automator Solutions logo black shirt to a mad scientist. It's okay to make typos inside of Chat GPT. It really doesn't care. When you generate the image, you'll get something like this if you're using my images. Now, this is on a paid account. Let me show you a free account. On the free account, you could see this one probably more reminds me of The Simpsons. It's because I've trained my GPT account via my settings and it knows what I want. Let me show you version 2 and 3 from the paid account. This was version 2. I didn't really like this one, but this one I absolutely love. Going from Ben the Automator into Mad Scientist Ben. I've tweaked my GPT configuration. When I first recorded this, it was only GPT-4. Let's take a look at GPT-5. Holy shit. Do you see this? That is amazing. Anyway, what I want to show you is it's okay. You can get started anytime. All you need is a simple prompt. Don't be afraid to make misspellings. Use dictation. Now you'll see it stopped creating my image. So I asked it, why did you stop? And it gives me some bullshit about not being able to render anything. And so I said, do your job. If you have something you're trying to do inside of ChatGPT or any questions, let me hear them. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day. Take care.